Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this LOFTEK solar deck lights. It's a really interesting light. It's a #1 release on Amazon and it has a dual mode. This company has already released a standard light which I've bought about 1 year ago, and that's the thing here, and I had it outside. I haven't even cleaned that, and you can see how good this is holding up. I've been fearing that it wears out, it wouldn't work after some time, it would fill with insects or so, but you can see there's almost nothing. It's perfect, and it's charging during the day and it's shining almost the whole night. I mean, of course, depending on the impact of the solar. You can see as soon as it's getting dark, there is this really nice illumination, and it makes this really nice pattern here, which is really nice. An absolutely awesome kind of decoration. You can install it permanent, like with a screw into the wall, or you can just use a tape. It's very lightweight. That's a huge advantage, and it's holding up really nice. You can see everything almost looking like on day one. If I cleaned this a little bit, you could put this on sale again. You can see also the solar panel, everything is holding up. And since I heard they have released a new edition with an additional color mode, I've decided to buy more of them. They come in 2 different packages. They have the 1 package and they have the 8 package, so I bought the large one with the 8 package because you get more for the money, of course. And so here we have them. Here we get even some instructions manual. It's not much, and it's also of course not needed to talk about a lot because it's so simple to use. Of course, you have to open that first again and then turn it on. You can see it's a really easy on-off switch. That's about it. Here we have the light, but here additionally, compared to the old ones where there was no switch, here we have the different modes. That's really convenient. You can see it has these 2 different light modes, the one with the normal, really beautiful warm light, and the one with these 7 color modes. So I put them outside and let them charge and shine for a little bit, and then I'll let you know how they are holding up. But I don't expect anything else than with the old one because they were holding up so nicely. I don't expect anything else from these ones, except from the additional light mode, which is really convenient, like for special events, parties or holidays. By the way, here you can already see the 2 different modes side by side. That's the conventional mode, which was already in the old version, and here we have this beautiful, really nice new edition. This is really nice. If you have this on the wall, it will exactly look like that. So it's an absolutely fantastic kind of decoration for special events, parties and so on, and this is of course the standard mode for everyday usage. So I had these solar lights now outside for a couple of days, and they are performing really nice. You can see them here in the backyard. This is of course a little bit of a longer illumination, so it's a little bit overdoing regarding the brightness, but you can still see there is definitely some nice illumination along the wall here, and also even right next to the pathway. Really nice, beautiful, absolutely fantastic. And we can also see the images with the colorful light, different lights here. So you can see it's changing all the time. I mean, it's not a video, it's just a couple of different images you can see. When we have it in color mode, they are changing constantly in all the different colors. But if you want to have it just bright in the brightest possible way, then go with the white LED light. It's also very beautiful, and it's definitely the brighter illumination. I've been showing this to a couple of people, and all of them have been loving this thing and all told me they are going to buy this because it's so wonderful. And I can also confirm that the illumination time is really great. I mean, it's winter, it's in the backyard, it's a little bit blocked by some trees of my neighbor, and you can see how it's performing through the night here. Here we have the lights, and here I have a time lapse. You can see it's 10 o'clock, 11, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock, still everything very bright. 3 o'clock. Some of these lights which has the most shade, they are fading a little bit, but the other ones still holding up really nicely. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, even 6 o'clock in the morning, and they are still shining bright. Absolutely fantastic. So I love them, and I can definitely give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order drive from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.